Mukhang alam mo yan.
Yun! Spiral. Oy, tara guys! Spiral.
Kasi aga, instant content. Mamaya siya. Work done today. So, start natin yung training. Windshield repair, right?
Ready, work on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I want to.
Hindi mo sira.
Yeah. Do this.
Go! Go! What's the project?
Yeah.
Learn my lesson. Poker faces keep them guessing. No expression. Ice dressing on my chest and leave impression. What's it take to waste it if you? I just spin them, gunning and I'm grinning. In the Bugatti in my denim. This is the result of my vision. React with precision. But God only knows my intention. Selling dope is
Kaba muna. Paikot muna. Ready, set, go. Oh yeah. Let's go, my guy. Be my post. Post credit. Ron, this is Roy. Okay, pwede na lang. Pwede na lang talaga. Playbook tayo. Tapos, Maxi, FA, Cooper, Ron. Hindi kayo siguro. Playbook muna tayo. Cooper. Mag-toast muna kayo. Anything special? Ikaw. Si Ron, turuan mo muna. Yung defense natin. Ron, sama kay Cooper muna. Boys, playbook. Yun ano? Talo na ako niya.
Bawal yun.
Hindi ako sir. May hirap. Ay, ano?
First time in a while na mag-training kami na umaga.
Saturday ba? Kwenta ko, nakuha ko lang. Sumisikat siya ngayon, sabi daw tumahin siya sa isang public CR. Ang hirap i-flush. Nakakabit kasi yung umbilical cord niya. Yung sabi niya, ang kukulit ng mga bata sa van. Tanong na tanong, sino po kayo? Saan nyo? Tara, ngayon. Once row. Defense kami. Right. End zone boy, di na tayo magsila defense. Di na tayo ng pakiramdam. Muna ka? Ako, 1 point. 7, kahit sa 2 point, I go. Pwede mo i-5. Pwede mo i-5. Originally, habol! Daya ang puta! Bakit talaga hindi ko pa?
Tell him when he get back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out of me. When I pay for some dogs to the buy me the men. Take sticks on my neck, get a box up. Shake, stab the beat. The Lord. Stepping up, she's my mama. Saving them the car we plumbing. Take a nigga down, take a name. Standing on business, we shooting the
Ako muna kay Job. Because I have a feeling that bumping up against me. So like my dad's gonna follow me there. Sige, sige.
Sige lahat, tao na ako.
Okay game, Go. Saan galing? Set. Go.
Hoy, tara yung gamit ko!
Right job. Rico. Lang.
Paano? Thank you.
Oh.
Make sure
Kailan lang ba yan?
yung payong. Thank you.
Tapos na. F, puro defense. Let's go! Oy, defense!
Low down nigga like Keno Wayne. Slam on nigga like Shaq and Payne. I'ma shoot this bitch, I ain't had to pay. Me know when I caught a nigga. Too many pounds was the other nigga. Put my mix out like a flood nigga with the Drake gun. Trying to stay put my dog nigga better life in his book. Pick the pen up and
Diba? May tabo. Watong Gray Gray. Ito si Mia. Ako man to. Oh, tas si Chris. Buhos na ulan aking mundo. Ludoring tuluyan. Naiwan ng bagyo, di patitiis. Hindi ko alam yung lirik ng puso ko. To me. Short story. May nakakatch tayo ng malaking papel guy. Pagka-catch na po tayo na, ginano niya ako. Daddy! Ulat ko na tawag sa'yo. Hawak hindi sa leg. Kasi nahilo.
Nanigas siya eh.
Tapos parang ako sa'yo, parang gusto ko na, well, man of character tayo, di tayo naka-away. Buti may sumigaw agad. Takal player! Okay. No. Change tayo. Huwag mo na i-read rush. Kasi like, he always goes this. He just waits till you take. Ay, meron pa daw isa? Ay. Change ka daw. Hindi, nag-change na. Bilis, dogo. Pagkain na. Matapos na ba daw? Di ba, para makatik na?
Okay, get your flag.
Inaaway nila ako kanina ni sino to? Inaaway ako ni Jean tsaka ni Evan sa direction. Kasi di ko masabi left right. Tapos sabi ko sa kanila, tanungin mo si Epe, kumusta siya sa akin?
Pag-trip.
So, asa mahirap pa rin. Ay, dulo ka. Yung sa defense natin.
Let's go!
Akan ba talaga yun?
Hindi ako pwede sa shorts kasi long court. Run boy, run, run!
Don't stop, don't stop. Don't stop the feeling, don't stop. Don't stop the
Yeah, nothing. That's why they're
DVU. Down. Up. Yun.
Alright, so boys, girls, not the practice you wanted. The intensity, that wasn't the one I'm looking for, but good job bringing it back sa dulo. Napapansin ko, ito na lang sabihin ko, people who doesn't train much, pag nasa field, pangit ng flow sa loob. Wala masyadong intensity, naglalakad. Ayoko nang ganun, ayoko mo ulit yun. Please. I won't call you out, you know who you are. Kailangan ko sa inyo, when you show up, you bring that intensity when you go inside the field. Okay? Hindi pwede yung nadadama yung teammates nyo eh. Diba? Eh hindi yun yung gusto nating nakikita pag naglalaro tayo. So, it's either you bring a good energy inside the field or you don't go inside the field at all. Okay? Ganun ka-simple, ha? But see you guys on Tuesday. Please, attendance, lalo na boys. I need you guys to show up. Ang dami natin kailangan limited, especially the timing to play. Okay? So, you don't know yet who's throwing for sure. But just keep showing up. Last, what? 2-3 trainings before, so, go. Stars on 3.
1, 2, 3. Sonics!